8.9. Monoethanol aniline can be produced in vapor phase in fluidized bed using natural bauxite as solid catalyst. The elementary reactions are shown in the previous problem. Same we will use. Using equimolar feed of aniline and ethanol in the fluidized bed produces 3 parts of monoethanolamine and 2 parts of diethanolamine. So this is S and this is R. So 3 parts of R and 2 parts of S for 40% conversion of aniline. That is our A. So XA is 40%. Mixed flow of the gas in fluidized bed. Find K2 by K1 and the concentration ratio of the reactants and products at the exit. So here 40% conversion of aniline in the reaction is taking place. So 40% of ethanol will be converted. So out of 0.6 moles which are unreacted ethanol. So in the reaction A plus B giving R, 40% conversion of A means 40% is conversion. So at the end of the reaction, unconverted A will be 0.6, unconverted B will be 0.6 and formed R will be 0.4 because 1 mole converted of A giving you 1 mole of R. So at the end of the reaction, 1, this is the distribution. Okay. Now what is mentioned here, this 0.4 is formed. So if you split this into 5 parts from the first reaction, it is distributed as 3 parts of R and 2 parts of S. Means 3 parts R and 2 parts S. It is given in the problem statement. So 3 parts of R means 3 by 5 into 0.4, that is 0.24. So concentration of R at the end of the second reaction, it will be 0.24. 2 parts, that is 0.16, converts into S, that is 0.16. So this is formed. So 2 by 5 into 0.4 is 0.16. So distribution is as given in the problem statement. Ca, you know, unreacted, that is 0.6. Now this we know, this we know. What about Cb? Cb, we start with 1. 0.4 is converted or reacted in the reaction 1 and 0.16 in reaction 2. So 1 minus 0.4 minus 0.16, that is 0.44. So at the end of the reaction 1, this is formation. This R formed is 0.24 and unreacted B finally is 0.44. Okay. So B reacted in the first reaction is 0.4, reacted in the second reaction is 0.16 and remaining is 0.44. So delta Cb is 0.56, Cb is 0.44, Cb0 is 1, so minus delta Cb is 0.56. That means amount of B consumed is 0.56, Ca0 is 1. So with the slope of 2 for this ratio of 0.56, okay. So this is line between 0.5 and 0.6, somewhere here 0.5, 0.56 you can draw, and this line of slope 2. Okay. So what information we have? Cr is 0.24, Okay, on this line, if I locate the point for CR is equal to 0.24. So you can draw this horizontal line CR is equal to 0.24, and where it cuts, okay, this point, and this you can see this lies on K2 by K1 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is 0.24 CA, and CS also you can check. CA is 0.6, CS is 0.16. So CA from this point to this point it is 0.6, and this is 0.14. So K2 by K1 is equal to 1. That is obtained from MFR plot. So in this case, what was asked is find K2 by K1 and the concentration of the reactants and the products that we have found out. So concentration ratios we have determined. As long as Ca0 is equal to 1, concentration and ratio of concentration Ca by Ca0, Cr by Ca0, Cs by Ca0 remains same. So this we have reported.